Hi everyone, thank you for joining. We're doing a tried and true trading update. So here we are, early this morning, around I would say 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We stopped doing our live streaming, and we had several successful positions. We sold live with you, doing live trading live without a net, and we had one position that was holding actually was breaking it down into a couple of smaller ones just in case it popped in a different place, but had to decide to stop watching Wabi and take a break, get some food, get some rest. So I was very happy to see that what we were expecting to happen finally took place. It happened about 3 hours later, and so we can see that, once again that's actually not updated, is it? Let's see. Sometimes moving things around. Well, now it's updated. Yeah, let me make sure we got our sound on. Okay, so you can see that we this is all on the 8th and the 9th, and happy to see that all of these have sold. So if I show you hiding other pairs and I go back to our open orders, you can see that all of our orders have finished. So very happy to see that we had 100% on those trades that we started. And as these things unfold, I'd just like to give you an update on them. So that's what this is. So looking forward to the next live stream coming to you soon. We'll be updating new basic tutorials, and we're working on the back end to get our soft launch ready. So very exciting times, and there's going to be a lot more interesting things to do in the market. It's a very interesting time right now. In fact, you know what? We're going to do just a quick market update so you can see where Bitcoin is while we're talking. It's sagging just a tiny bit at 3640. 3650 is really where we want it to be able to stay for a couple of days. If it does that, then I'm less and less concerned about the cliffhanger that I see here. This is a very long time for it to be reconciling where it's trading from with the new volume. Volume has come down from about 170 million down to 115, but considering that it has been hovering around 60 to 70 million, this is still pretty strong. So can it make it the next couple of days with some more volume? As if there are planned events. In fact, there's going to be a pump on something at 1 p.m. It's in about a half hour on Binance. I just kind of watch for what different groups are planning to do. I do not recommend ever going in on a pump and dump, but it is important to, if you know anything about it, to watch it when it's planned, because it will have an effect on other coins and how they're currently doing. And you might get really frustrated if you're waiting for that one little thing to happen and then it gets dragged down because somebody pumped something else. So that's just kind of how this stuff works. But keep your eye on Bitcoin throughout the day. See if it's able to hold in the 3600s. And we'll come back to this in a little bit. All right, looking forward.